Yeah, so this is just not something I'm gonna deal with. It's a no for me. I swear there's at least 3 out here. No, we're taking care of this. So I've heard and read that this stuff works wonder, this Talak or whatnot. Um, a lot of times with those bug sprays, they don't necessarily kill scorpions and things like that. It's just like the roaches and spiders, etc. But scorpions are a different breed. I'm all for organic gardening and whatnot. I'm gonna try to stay away from gardening as much as possible, but the way that my life is set up, gotta do something. It comes with this reading pamphlet, instructions. It's pretty straightforward. There's an extensive list of bugs that it kills. It's crazy. More information. I'm sure you can find this all online, so I'm not gonna bore you with all this, but a lot of details in this book. And my little container. I'm gonna make sure the way that this pond is, they can really be anywhere in there. I'm gonna kind of stay away from the garden per se, spray around, but all these little cracks, there could be scorpions living in those. I'm gonna make sure I really saturate these. I really hate that this is so close to the garden, rather that the possibility. I don't want this stuff anywhere near my fruits and stuff, even though it says it should be fine. I want it to be organic. I like organic gardening. Also read that they could be in wood. I'm spraying in all these logs I have around, anywhere that they can possibly be hiding. Got storage. Make sure it's getting here and around it. The random areas, literally everywhere. Not risking my barbecue. Perfect place for hiding. Everywhere. I think I'm going to make a little perimeter around my garden, but I'll let you know how this stuff works. I'm not playing with scorpions. Let's grow.